Once the site was fully prepared, the paving phase began under controlled conditions and strict safety protocols. Asphalt materials were delivered and placed following industry best practices, ensuring consistency, durability, and proper compaction. Trained crews, equipped with high-visibility safety gear, worked in coordination with specialized machinery to achieve a smooth and reliable surface. Each step of the paving process was executed with precision, from placement to finishing, ensuring long-term performance. As the work progressed, final grading and surface adjustments were completed to meet design specifications and functional requirements. Even after paving was finished, protective barriers remained in place to secure the perimeter and maintain pedestrian safety until the site was fully ready for use. The project concluded with clear pavement markings, finished sidewalks, and properly installed safety bollards, delivering an organized, accessible, and secure entrance. This restoration reflects DESA's commitment to quality execution, risk mitigation, and compliance with Ontario construction standards. When reliability and safety matter, DESA delivers results built to last.